You're seeing these bowls like this. They all nest so perfectly. I'm just going to move this to the side because, although I love these, by the way, everybody's picking
And they coordinate with your polka dot, which I want to show you.
Yeah, they do. Oh, yeah, those look together.
Yes.
All right, so the bowls, these are a set of 5 nesting bowls. They all have lids. They are the perfect way to gift someone the gift of, like, here's everything you need in the kitchen. We all need bowls.
Right. Yes.
$8.33, free shipping and handling. There's a Black Friday sale price, and it's the very first day that we're presenting them to you. Take a look at your holiday option.
This is going to be the smallest one. This is your 8 ounce with the snap-on storage cover. Then we're going to go to your 1/2 ounce. That's going to have your sleigh detail with all of the packages, your festive fetty on the outside. Then we're going to go to your 1 quart. Look how adorable. You have Santa, of course, by the oven. Then we're going to go to your 1.5 quart. That's going to have Santa by the fireplace. And then your largest one, and I'm going to show you what Alberti was just talking about concentric. We have, of course, that beautiful tree at your 3 quart. So take your 3 quart, nest down your 1.5 quart. Let's put in that 1 quart. How about that great 1/2 quart and your 8 ounces? And you have beautiful concentric bowls where all you have to store is that 3 quart.
Oh my gosh. And when I look at these bowls, do you know what I think about?
Tell me.
I think about, like, right over here in the big one. This is mashed potatoes.
Okay.
Right over here, it's like, there's my cornbread casserole because you can bake with it.
Yes, and mix
right over
in it.
here, that's my cranberry.
Okay.
Right over there.
I'm coming
and
to
then
your house.
right over here, you've got 2 others for, you know, sides and extras.
You could even do cubed butter in here if you wanted to.
Oh, yes.
And then, of course, you could have some of your, you could do gravy in here with a ladle. Because you can microwave these pieces, you can continue to reheat them. So, of course, we did a holiday bowl collection. We've never done that before in the 17 years that we've been sharing Temptations with all of you.
Wow.
So love, again, with all the snap-on storage covers as well.
Now, we also
let's talk about the polka dot.
So we've got holiday, we've got polka dot. In the polka dot, what I love is you get every single color. You get green, you get blue, there's your black. Right down over here
Your
is
holiday
your
red.
Holiday red. It's so bright and beautiful. And then this, is this confetti?
It's kind of like a confetti.
Kinda
We call
like
it cream.
Okay.
It coordinates back all of the other colors, and they also concentrically fold and nest down inside each
Now,
other.
we just put the loaf pans over here so that you could see what they look like. By the way, we also had the polka dot loaf pans as well.
Yes, we did.
So you could see, if you're picking these up and giving them to someone as gifts, $8.33 gets all 5 of those bowls. We're still very, very busy on the phone lines. We have been all night in this show. H219276 is your item number.
Oh,
okay,
wait.
What are you making,
This
my
is
darling?
also from the cookbook. This is our snowman party stew, where we piped some mashed potatoes and made them into a little snowman on top.
Oh my gosh,
Look
party
how
stew.
cute. But more importantly, the temptation story, right?
Yeah.
The fact that you can pull everything right away from the sides. As ooey gooey as this stew is, you don't have to worry about anything sticking. You can see it bubbling all the way around, and you can bring it right to your table, and everything will stay hot. So look what we did. We did our stew here. We baked a bread in here. As you were saying, you can mix in here, right? Take your KitchenAid hand mixer, mix right in here. Now you have that beautiful bread. You have the butter to go along with it.
That's just enough.
Right? For me. For me. And then, of course, we have our relish that you see there. So again, all 5 bowls, tons of quart capacity, everything nests down. It's just the perfect gift. We used the bowls to bake him and then decorated him as a snowman.
That's great.
And then here, 5 great unique gifts, starting with the base of a bowl.
You know, it's a genius way to give one great big gift or have multiple gifts for anybody on your list. It is $50 at the Black Friday sale price, $49.98, so it's less than $10 a bowl, and it's on 6 easy monthly payments of $8.33. Free shipping and handling and Easy Pay go away at the end of the day today, so pick this up because it's the very first day that you're seeing it. Holiday and polka dot are your options. Okay.